So it's not working, so I'm not too sure what it is, to be honest.
I've had my BMW 1 Series for nearly 2 years now.
I'd like to welcome my BMW 1 Series.
So far, modification wise, we've only done
The spoiler on there.
And
But for today, we're just doing the wheel spaces.
you can watch that in the previous videos on my channel. Now I have a problem.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So we are back in the Beamer again. I know the last video was the Corsa that I'd done. I just had to do some headlight bulbs on that. So thank you everyone for watching that video. If you haven't seen it, just go and watch it. It's up in the right hand corner. So we've got a problem with the BM. So we've got a problem with the speakers. So there's absolutely no sound coming out from the speakers. So I've just basically turned it off. Usually with the BM right now, when you just put it in ignition mode or ignition, it makes a noise. Unfortunately, no noise. I've got in capital, absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing is playing. Mute, off mute, nothing's playing. So even if I put it in reverse, as you can see, there's a parking. You can see no noise. By now the parking would have been going absolutely crazy. I want to get it to the red, no noise, nothing, absolutely nothing. It's quite annoying, but yeah, there's nothing going on. No music, no sound, nothing. I've even tried to restart it, which is pressing mode and the on button or off button, nothing. Eject and the off button, nothing. I don't know what's going on. I absolutely don't know. But I have a good idea. There's one little idea why, and I'm going to show you in a sec. But you can even see I'm using a speaker just to just to listen to music, which is quite depressing. But yeah, I mean, I can't drive without music. That has been pretty much my life so far for the last 2 weeks. But I'm going to show you what I think it is. So in 2 seconds, I'm going to show you. In these cars, there's a fuse box. There's a fuse box, or there's a fuse. So it's just underneath here. So you've got the battery there, and then you've got the fuse box there. So I've checked all the fuses on here. I've even checked the little sheet that they give you. And by the way, you wouldn't believe this, but this is a little kind of like a fuse pick. I don't know if anyone knows that, but you can just literally just pop it in and then it picks it out. So for everyone who doesn't know that bit, at least now you know. But anyway, like a fuse locator for your fuse boxes. So I've gone through, checked all the fuses that might relate to the sound. Media, as you can see just there, and sound. So yeah, so I've done that. I've checked front fuse and back fuse, and then I saw on YouTube, I was like, there might be a problem here. So there's an amplifier which is right down there, which is tucked in. I've done something really bad. I've done something really bad. It's awful and it's really annoying. But I used to keep AdBlue in there. I don't know why. Don't ask me why. Stupid. But I've come in one day, AdBlue absolutely everywhere. So I've got the picture here, so you can see the picture.
I don't know who in their right mind will keep AdBlue there. Like, come on. Surely I should have known that AdBlue does not stay in there and it can cause trouble. But hey ho, we do live and learn as we go.
I've done some dumb things, and I'll do dumb things again.
Yes, so it was covered like head to, well, not head to toe, but AdBlue just down there and everywhere. And the AdBlue has gone into the amplifier. So I suspect that, yeah, the amplifier's gone, so I might need to replace it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove that. For now, I'm just going to remove that amplifier, and then, yeah, we'll see if that works. Yeah. Once that is all removed, so that little bolt, It will come out. Just need to remove this bolt right here, which is just right there. So I'm just going to go ahead and get that removed.
To remove this bolt, I used a 11mm socket. It wasn't too hard to come out. At the end, I just had to use my fingers just to kind of screw it off. But other than that, there was no trouble.
So you can see all the kind of like AdBlue just in there. You can see it again, just in little pockets. But I cleaned it up thinking it'll be alright, but even in there you can see a bit of AdBlue. But yeah, and then you've just got this little push down, and then take out the loom. The loom is connected, so I need to unscrew this bolt just there.
For this bolt, I had to use an 8mm socket because it was a little bit smaller than the other one. Again, nothing, no trouble. Just removing this, just untightened it, and then I just had to quickly just kind of shimmy the amplifier, which wasn't too bad. I just had to use a bit of I had to just kind of use a screw just to shimmy it off, but it didn't give me any more trouble. After that, it was just all nice and clean.
Bosh. Oh my god. You can see the AdBlue. Look at that. Look at that. Lovely. So this is the unit. Look at that. So you got the Harman Kardon. You can see the AdBlue on it. So that's probably ruined it. You can see just in there the little cracks.
2,000 years later.
A couple of days later, basically I went to a stereo or radio shop where they install new kind of stereos and so on, sound systems. He cleaned it up, all the AdBlue, cleaned it all off from the inside. What he said is that within the pins, I don't know if you can see them inside there, but there weren't any burnt marks or anything that shows that he can't revive it. Then he put some lacquer on it, 2 layers of lacquer. Said it should be able. He said it's 50-50 basically. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plug it in, and then try and see if it works. Fingers crossed that it does work. So just a quick plug in and then see if it works. Nerve-wracking. We're gonna see if it works, and it doesn't work. Yep, not working. So it's not working. So I'm not too sure what it is, to be honest. I'm gonna have to get it looked at. But yeah, I thought that would have done it, but apparently not. It's just absolutely gone. I don't know what it is. Couldn't tell you. Could be wiring, but who knows. But yeah, savage. Hello. So it's been a few weeks now since I basically had this fault with the system not working. I've tried so many things. So I got it fixed. Well, not fixed. I got it cleaned. The unit, the amplifier, but it didn't work. It did not work. He cleaned it out. So I went to a guy who cleaned it out, basically put lacquer on it, and just told me to put it in the sun just to kind of make sure that it kind of, yeah, whatever. Anyway, it's been a few weeks now. I've had to order one on eBay, a second-hand one, which has come in. So I've already unboxed it, as you can see, and I've already taken that one out. But bosh, that's both of them just there. I've had to make sure that the pins were the correct ones, which they are. So you've got correct pins, everything. I haven't tested it out, but we're going to test this one out. The second-hand one, which I got from eBay, it was around £150, 160. Got it delivered, so we're going to test it out and see if it works. Fingers crossed it does, because yeah, you can't drive around with just no sound and you're using a speaker, which I was. Fingers crossed this will be the problem. I'm really nervous, so let's go. Let's just do it. Let's send it. We're gonna go. Oh my god. No, please. Let's go. Come on. One more thing to try. One more thing. The parking. Let's go. Come on. Is there any sound? That sweet sound of the parking sensor. Basically, as I said, checked all the fuses. The fuses were fine. Anyone has a problem with the one series, sound not working, so the whole system just goes completely. Parking sensors don't make a noise, or the radio doesn't work. Try the amplifier, because it's very common with the BMs, all BMs, that the sound system sometimes, they're really common, these units, to get water in them, because then, you know, this kind of compartment, instead of taking it to your local, you know, dealership or whatever you do, just literally make sure you check the fuses, as I said, and check the amplifier, because yeah, 9 times out of 10 it's probably the amplifier. But obviously I'm not a mechanic or anything like that, so I don't know what I was doing. I just researched it on YouTube, just followed my gut, and then yeah, but let's go.
So this was just the reverse order of me putting everything back. So just had to use the same tools that I used earlier to put everything back. But other than that, there was no dramas and it was just nice and easy.
Can we just appreciate how nice it looks when it's washed? So that is it for that, guys, and everyone. I just want to say a massive thank you yet again, just for watching my videos, subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do smash the subscribe button and like all my videos. I really appreciate it. I just want to say thank you for the support. Really appreciate it. As always, I just want to try and bring out as much content as possible. This one, I did not see anything about one series having a problem with the sound, so hopefully I do help those guys who have a one series and the sound system has gone, because like I said, it will probably be that. So again, as I say, I'm not a technician, so don't take my word for it, but do check the amplifier just to make sure. Again, thank you very much. Really appreciate the support. Hope everyone has a great day. Whenever you're watching this, just have a nice day. Be positive. For watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.